guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. I feel like I look very white in this video. I have a new background, wearing a white shirt. Maybe there's just too much white going on. My face looks really white too. I mean, I am really pale at the moment, but anyway, Poshmark Q&A. I have not filmed a video in a little while. I took like a week off from filming. Okay, first question. Hey Vanessa, so I'm part of the Rad Squad. Awesome. Oh, I didn't even mention it in this video. I'm doing this new thing on my channel where you guys are able to join the Rad Squad. Basically what that entails is you pay $2.99 a month and you get access to all kinds of cool things. The first thing, we're actually gonna do it this weekend. We are gonna do a live stream here on YouTube. It's gonna be so much fun. Yeah, we're doing the first one this weekend, so if you want to catch that, you still have time to join. It's gonna be members only. I'm also gonna have other perks. You guys will get access, like first access to new videos. You'll get your own special videos. I have a rant video that I'm gonna film maybe after this video, and it's gonna be for members only. It's gonna be about a company that I recently dealt with, and I'm just not happy at all, but I think I'm gonna make that video members only. So yeah, so if you're interested, there will be a link down below. Just asking a quick question. Have you had an extreme delay in your shipping labels from Poshmark to your email? I've made 4 sales since this morning and wanted to get them out before the weekend, but I'm not getting any of my labels. When did you send this to me? May 12th. Oh my gosh, I'm just reading it now. I'm sorry. Send a support email to Poshmark and keep checking back to see if I sent a new label through my sales tab, but I've not had any luck. You don't have to go through your email to get your shipping label. I actually don't go through my email to get my shipping label. I just log into, I mean, it depends if you have a wireless printer or not. You can do it right from your phone. You can do it right from the Poshmark app. You can download the label right from the app. Or if you go on your computer, you can download it from the desktop version. So yeah, I don't know if you tried that. Hopefully you got this resolved, because that was a couple days ago, about a week ago, week and a half ago. I'm sorry, I'm just getting around to this. But yeah, if that happens to anyone in the future, sometimes I have had delays where it's taken a while to get my label emailed to me, and I'm just able to get it, like I said, through the Poshmark app. I just find that that's a little bit easier. Next question. I have a question. When I think of lowball offers, I'm referring to the counter offers that I get after offering a discounted shipping, and usually 20 to 30%. For example, I had a designer item listed at $78, a very reasonable price for this particular item. I offered 20% off and $4.99 shipping. The buyer counter offers at $18. Even though that's not quite 80% lower than the original price, it's close. It's still pretty crappy. So my question is this when you just keep counter offering? I think I just get offended by the lowball offers when I've just given them a decent offer to liker. Thank you for your input in advance. So yeah, I agree that is annoying if you go and send like an offer to liker and then they counter back at something lower because you already think you're giving them a good deal and you're like, what the heck, why are you, yeah. But again, you gotta look at it from the buyer's perspective. They're trying to get a deal. So, you know, don't let that frustrate you. Just play the counter game. I've had it happen so many times where I have sent someone an offer, like, trying to do some quick math here. Say like I sent them an offer for $25 with $4.99 shipping, and then they turn around and offer me like $22. That's pretty much the same price. You know, because you're getting 25 plus $4.99 shipping, or if they offer 22, then they still have to pay the $7.11 shipping. So it's around the same amount. It's only like cents off, I think, if I'm doing math in my head correctly. So yeah, that's happened to me sometime. I just counter back. I just counter back. That's like my motto of Poshmark, just counter back. It will get annoying, it will get frustrating, but if you really want to make that sale, you'll counter back. If you decline it, you never know what could happen. You could have made a sale. Okay, next question. Hi Vanessa, I have a question for one of your Q&A videos. I'm 13 years old and I've just started on Poshmark and have already made $250 in 2 weeks. Wow, that's awesome. I know for sure I want to go thrifting once all of this is over, and I'm pretty sure I'll go above $600 by the end of the year. What do I do about taxes? I have no idea what to do and I do not want to get in trouble. Thank you. P.S. I love your videos. They've helped so much. I'm trying to save for my first car. Oh my gosh, Josephine, you are awesome. Like, to be your age and to be like this ambitious, you are seriously awesome. Okay, so that being said, I don't like giving tax advice because yeah, I don't really know what I'm talking about sometimes. Just being honest. It gets tricky when you're a minor. I don't know how that works. I think you can be on Poshmark and be a minor in selling things, but I have no idea how it works come tax season. You know, because 13, that's probably, you're probably not able to like legally work in your state. I know some states, like most states, like 15, you can get a worker's permit. Some at 14, depending on like the job, if it's like a family-owned business or something like that. So yeah, I don't know how that works. I don't know if like your parents claim it. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm going to refer you to Not Your Dad's CPA on Instagram. He will be able to answer your question. I have had somebody ask that to me before, and I purposely didn't answer in a video because I really had no clue. But now that more than one person has asked me, I just wanted to address it. But yeah, I have no idea how that works considering you're a minor. So I don't know. But that's awesome that you're only 13 and you're already hustling. Girl! Next question. I noticed the new white background on all of your cover shots. Can you tell me how you did that? It looks real nice. Super easy to do. I downloaded an app called Photo Room, and you just upload a picture to it and it whites out the background with like one tap. It's so easy to do. I love it. I do pay monthly for it, so I don't have the watermark on it. There are other apps available where you can white out the background. I've tried other apps, but I prefer Photo Room. So yeah, Photo Room is the app, but you can just search in the App Store for like white background, I think, and a bunch will pop up. Next question. I tried this method and already made 5 sales in the past 24 hours. I don't know what video this was on because I screenshotted the comment. Okay, my only question is, what do you do when the offer is lower than you'd like it to be? Do you counter offer with your best offer or ignore it? Counter, 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 offer, counter, offer, always, counter, offer, always. I'm gonna make an album with like Poshmark related songs. Maybe that'll be something on my members only section. Counter back, always. I can't stress that enough. Just always counter back. Offers are a huge Offers are a huge part of Poshmark. So you gotta be willing to play the offer game. If you don't, you're gonna miss out on a lot of sales. I did just want to mention this in a video. Somebody commented on one of my videos and they said, I wanted to let you know that there's a section on the Poshmark listing with things that you can things that you can put stuff so other people can't see it. It's at the bottom, additional details. Okay, so she was talking about how I mentioned in a video, I put my bin numbers at the bottom of my listings, and she's right, I could do it in the additional details section, but I just choose not to. It's just easier, I think, because if I'm looking for the bin number, like say if I were to sell this backpack, I would just tap on the listing and I could scroll to the bottom and see what bin it was in, as opposed to if I put it in the like private section, I would have to tap on the listing, go to edit, scroll all the way down, and then tap on see details, and then it would open up that section. So that's just too many taps, you know, when I'm trying to like pull inventory and I need to do it quickly. Yes, there is an additional details section at the bottom. You can put a SKU number, you can put a cost price, which I would never put that because then Poshmark would know how much you paid for something and how much you sold it for, and I just don't want to give them that information, you know. I just don't think, you know, they don't need to know that. And then there's another section underneath that says other info. So yes, I don't think I've ever mentioned that in a video before, so thank you. I forgot what your name was, but thank you for mentioning that. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.